Political violence has erupted in East Midnapur. Clashes between supporters of the BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari and TMC supporters. Remember, Adhikari had dumped Mamta, joined the BJP on Saturday during Amit Shah's rally. And now reports coming in of some clashes, political violence in East Midnapur area, West Bengal. The clashes are between supporters of BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari and TMC supporters. Now, Suvendu Adhikari was the man who left TMC, quit from the position of the Transport Minister. He quit from all other posts, even as MLA resigns, joins the BJP during Amit Shah's rally. And now reports coming in that supporters of Suvendu Adhikari and supporters of the TMC have clashed. Reports coming in. Indrajit joining us for details on that. Indrajit, anyone injured? We understand that Suvendu Adhikari supporters and TMC supporters clashed in East Midnapur. What really happened?
Well, that's right, Nabila. This is on expected lines because what we have been seeing that ever since Suvendu Adhikari was formally inducted into the BJP just a few days back, immediately there was a backlash and there were reports of how his posters were being torn down. They were garlanded with shoes, and now we are hearing reports emerging from Eastern Midnapur district that clashes between supporters of Suvendu Adhikari and that of his erstwhile party members, that is Trinamool Congress, have erupted. And this comes at a time when the Trinamool Congress today is holding a rally in Suvendu Adhikari's own home turf, Kathi. And this also comes in the backdrop because tomorrow Suvendu Adhikari will be holding his first public rally in his own home turf in Kathi in East Midnapur district. So just a day ahead of his first show of strength on his own home turf as a BJP leader on the banner of the BJP, we are hearing that there is some amount of clashes that have erupted between supporters of Suvendu Adhikari and the Trinamool Congress. Quite a lot of antagonism, with Trinamool Congress workers who have been part of that of the party have resisted the entry of Suvendu Adhikari into the BJP. They're opposing it, and therefore it's manifesting in such clashes that are now emerging between supporters of both the sides.
Right, Indrajit, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Clashes coming in, reports of clashes between BJP supporters, Suvendu Adhikari supporters and the TMC supporters. Suvendu Adhikari, who's left the TMC, now joined the BJP. Seems like political backlash erupting.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.